Supplements Australia. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen today. I'm going to be showing you how to make my gut and immune ignition smoothie. Enjoy. All of these ingredients have been carefully chosen for their immune boosting benefits. So we've got pineapple, which is an amazing source of vitamin C and also contains natural digestive enzymes, bromelain. And then we've got ginger and turmeric for anti-inflammation and for the many other benefits that they can provide. Celery, which contains mineral salts. Kiwi is also another great source of vitamin C. Citruses as well. Then we've got carrots, which are a great source of vitamin A or beta-carotene. And garlic. This is totally optional, but definitely worth it if you're trying to ward off colds and flus. I'm going to be making it on a base of coconut water. I'm going to add some vanilla, some MCT oil because it's good to add healthy fats to your smoothies. I'm also adding the perfect hydrolyzed collagen powder because that's amazing. Just great protein powder, amino acids, got all the potential health benefits like gut health, skin health, nails, hair, everything. It's amazing. Anyway, I'm also going to add 1 drop of Melissa because it's a great natural immune booster. It has that potential to do that, so that's totally optional. If you've got this one, add in a drop. If not, don't worry about it. Alright, so now I'm just going to juice all of these things up, chuck it in the blender, and we've got our smoothie. So I've got all my ingredients ready to juice, and I've just brought them over here to my cold press juicer. This one's an Oscar Neo, and I really like this particular juicer. I've had some of their other products. I feel like this one's the best one we've owned. If you don't have an Oscar or you don't have a cold press, don't stress, just use whatever you got, that's fine. So I'm going to start off with the hard veggies first, the carrots. Then I'm going to move on to the turmeric and ginger, the celery, the garlic, and then the softer fruits. That colour, the turmeric, is so beautiful. Celery, apple. And then last but not least, the limes and the lemon. I'm wearing a glove because I've already had a casualty. I cut my little finger on our knives because we just had them sharpened the other day. So don't do that, don't cut yourself. Seriously, how beautiful does that look? You could really just have that on its own, but I think adding all these other extras just really boosts the extra benefits. Alright, so I've already added 1 cup of coconut water to the blender jar. So I'm just going to pour that beautiful juice in now. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of perfect MCT oil because this is for 2 people. I just have to put my phone down for a second. I'm going to add in 2 scoops of the perfect hydrolyzed collagen powder. Stuff's seriously amazing. Check out all the 5-star reviews on this product on our website. I'll leave the link below. And I'm going to add in that lonely kiwi. Probably put 2 kiwis in, but I'm just adding 1. And I've already added the vanilla. I'm going to add in 1 to 2 drops of Melissa. And also, to activate the turmeric, you can add some cracked black pepper, but I'm going to go even 1 step better than that. I'm going to add 2 drops of this pink pepper essential oil. If you don't have that, don't stress, just use whatever you've got. It's not a big deal. Alright, so now I'm going to add some ice, blend this up, and we've got a beautiful gut immune ignition smoothie. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos, and remember to tap the bell so you never miss a video. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.